Yeah, look how clean that is. You can't even tell it's in there. I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Clean y'all system, y'all. Which, understand, this car, it sat up for a while. That's why it's like this. And this is the brakes. I'm about to pull out the clutch, and you're gonna see what that looks like. There's your clutch. Brakes fluid clean. Put the cap back on that, and I found this. Yeah, the top is cracked on. Looks like it's been cracked a while. So anyway, we got a new one coming, and it's actually cheaper to buy the whole reservoir than it is just the top. The top is $25.99. The whole reservoir with a new top is $30. Why wouldn't you? So anyway, show y'all a little way to clean this out. Get you a little brush. I pick up these brushes from they're the paint cleaner brushes, and to clean the inside of this, just leave a little fluid in there and just switch it around. Be sure don't suck it all out, because you need something to clean it. Of course, you're bleeding the system anyway, so it doesn't matter whatever you're doing. And after this, I'll put some fresh fluid in here, and I have a vacuum system I hook to it. Yes, where I could do it myself. So just clean it real good. All right. I'm gonna tell y'all, get you a rag to put this on, because this stuff gets on your paint, it's gonna eat through it. This stuff ain't no joke. So take you some of the old fluid, flush back in here, and you'll be able to, let me show you. Let's get some of that fluid up in there. You better suck it out and get it clean. But you know how I do it. I can't do it with one hand. I don't want to mess it up. So, all right, this is what just come out the reservoir. So, not even out the lines, and you can see. Let's get them. Yeah. So you see, I got some more to take out of there. But, anyways, if it's that dirty, this stuff gets dirty. Now, y'all don't have to bleed the whole system. They got something called the Ranger method, that you can just suck everything out, clean it pretty good, you know, and let it flush through the system. Do it once or twice and it'll clean the system. Just keep an eye on it. But I think they say once a year to check this out and clean your fluids on your car. So it's a good thing to do, especially if you got a clutch. That thing gets pretty dirty. Anyway, so let's get it clean.